Did you know that how you start your day actually affects your decision making for the entire rest of the day? In fact, research shows that a strong morning routine not only improves productivity, stress resilience, but even helps with food choices. Hi, my name is Dr. Erica Steele. If you're new to my channel, I'm a board certified naturopathic doctor. I hold 7 degrees in my field, all in the natural healthcare space. I like to say that I went to school, so you don't have to. Ironically, we're still in school. Welcome to week 7 of Intro to Holistic Medicine, where we're diving into not only fitness and movement for medicine, but movement with your structures as well. So we're going to get into your holistic structure, how you are breaking down your day, your time for peak performance. I know a lot of people are crash landing into the course from last week, all panicked. Oh my gosh, what's going on? And so we want to just kind of take a breath this week, kick back, and we're going to take a step back, look at our fitness and movement, and naturally create some structures that are going to help with peak performance, balance, wellness from morning into night. So the Journal of Behavioral Science actually showed that having a structured morning routine reduced stress levels by up to 40%, allowing for a better emotional regulation and focus all throughout the day. So again, not just making this up, definitely scientifically backed. And so why does structure matter? For me, it's like being proactive instead of reactive for my day. There's so many things that can happen in my day. And so taking that first hour just for me, that's why I do morning flow. I love it. It's that 15 minutes of movement, 15 minutes of meditation, 15 minutes of journaling, and then day planning. And that really, that 4-part aspect of my morning routine, that sets my morning activation. So that is where I really start my day. And so, like I was saying, 3 parts, I really like to organize my day into those 3 sections: morning routine, my midday focused, and my evening wind down. So I'm going to get supercharged in my morning with my morning flow, my movement, my hydration, my intention setting, my focus, do that morning flow routine. And then my midday, that's when I'm working. I'm super focused, 4 to 5 hours, boom, 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 get it done. Deep work, my nutrition, mental resets, everything is set in. And then naturally my evening, that's where I'm winding down, I'm relaxing, I'm journaling, I'm getting myself prepared for another day. And so these daily rituals have helped me to continually build upon my success week after week, month after month, year after year, because it's not really what happens again in the big things. It's not the big bangs. It's how much you're putting and you're focusing on every single day. It's almost like you're having to grind every single day. And so I love to create these rituals. I also will structure my week, which we'll get into. And so this form of habit stacking allows the mind to just kind of relax, because now it knows, oh, that's what I'm going to do in the beginning. That's what I'm going to do in the middle. And then finally, that's what I'm going to do in my end. So go ahead and map out your ideal 24-hour day cycle, and what is your framework, and what part of your routine do you think needs the most improvement? If you need a daily planner, we do have one that goes along with our morning flow class. So you can go ahead and click the link in the bio and download that. We'd love to have you in morning flow if you'd like to join us. It's just another structured way of starting your day, just so that you can be in flow and you can be more proactive instead of reactive. So thanks for tuning in, and like, share, subscribe for more.